Japan is a nation built on islands at the edge of Asia, shaped by volcanoes, oceans, and centuries of history. A land where ancient warriors once ruled, emperors claimed divine power, and modern cities now glow with neon lights. But Japan's story is not just about tradition or technology. It is a story of survival, transformation, and reinvention over thousands of years. The story begins over 14,000 years ago. Japan's earliest inhabitants were the Jomon people. They lived as hunter-gatherers, fishing in coastal waters and gathering food from forests. They are also known for creating some of the oldest pottery in the world, decorated with rope-like patterns. For thousands of years, life changed slowly. Then around 300 BCE, a new group arrived from mainland Asia. They brought rice farming, metal tools, and new ways of organizing society. These people, known as the Yahoi, changed Japan forever. Villages grew into towns, and competition for land began. Powerful clans started to emerge by the 3rd century. One clan, the Yamatora's dominance. They claimed descent from the sun goddess, giving them divine authority. This became the foundation of Japan's imperial family, one of the oldest continuous monarchies in the world. During the 6th century, another major influence arrived: Buddhism. It spread from Korea and China, bringing new religion, art, and philosophy. At the same time, Japan adopted writing systems and government ideas from China. Japan was no longer isolated tribes, it was becoming a structured nation. In 794, the capital moved to Heian-kyo, now Kyoto. This marked the beginning of the Heian period. It became a golden age of art, poetry, and culture. The imperial court focused on elegance and refinement instead of war. Nobles competed through literature and beauty. One of the world's earliest novels, The Tale of Genji, was written during this time. But while the court lived in luxury, power in the countryside was shifting. Warriors were rising, and a new class was forming: the samurai. By the late 1100s, Japan was divided by civil war. Powerful clans fought for control until Minamoto no Yoritomo emerged victorious. In 1192, he became the first shogun. Real power now belonged to military rulers, not the emperor. This marked the beginning of samurai rule. The samurai lived by a strict code of honor, loyalty, and discipline. For centuries, they shaped Japan's politics, society, and culture. In the 1200s, Japan faced a massive threat. The Mongol Empire, led by Kublai Khan, attempted to invade. Twice, Mongol fleets attacked Japan, but both invasions failed. Powerful typhoons destroyed much of the invading forces. The Japanese called these storms kamikaze, meaning divine wind. Japan had survived one of the greatest empires in history, but peace did not last. By the 1400s, Japan fell into chaos. Regional warlords, called daimyo, fought endless wars for land and power. This era became known as the Sengoku period, the Warring States era. For over a century, Japan was divided by conflict. Out of this chaos rose 3 great leaders. Oda Nobunaga began the process of unification. Hideyoshi continued it, and Tokugawa Ieyasu completed it after winning the Battle of Sekigahara in 1600. Japan was united once again. In 1603, the Tokugawa shogunate began. Japan entered over 250 years of relative peace, but the government closed the country off from most of the world. Foreign influence was restricted, and Japan entered a long period of isolation. During this time, culture flourished. Kabuki theater, traditional arts, and samurai traditions reached their peak. But while Japan stayed closed, the outside world was changing rapidly. And soon, that isolation would come to an end. June 18, 2026, 9:10 p.m. Kushasath. In 1853, American ships arrived demanding trade. Japan realized it could no longer remain isolated. In 1868, the Tokugawa shogunate collapsed. Power was restored to the emperor in what became known as the Meiji Restoration. Japan modernized at incredible speed. Railways were built, factories were created, a modern army was formed. In just a few decades, Japan transformed into an industrial nation. As Japan modernized, it also expanded its influence overseas. Victories over China and Russia shocked the world. Japan had become a major global power, but military influence continued to grow. Expansion led to conflict with Western nations. In 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. The United States entered World War II. The war spread across the Pacific. By 1945, Japan was devastated. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed by atomic bombs. Japan surrendered, ending the war. After the war, Japan was in ruins, but what followed became one of the greatest recoveries in history. The country rebuilt rapidly, industries grew, technology advanced, and education expanded. By the late 20th century, Japan had become one of the world's largest economies. Companies like Toyota, Sony, and Nintendo became global names. Japan had transformed once again. Today, Japan is a blend of ancient tradition and futuristic innovation. Temples stand beside skyscrapers. Centuries-old customs exist alongside cutting technology. Cities like Tokyo represent one of the most advanced urban societies in the world. Yet Japan still carries its deep history in its culture and identity. From ancient tribes to samurai warriors, from isolation to global power, Japan's journey is one of constant transformation, a story of resilience, a story of reinvention, and a story that continues even today.